Good morning or afternoon or night or whatever it is for you because don't really know when you watch it, but welcome to the last vocabulary video. Today is Monday, May 11th. Today you will review this week's vocabulary words, complete 2 assignments, a vocabulary worksheet and a vocabulary game. Our first word is abruptly. Abruptly. If something ends abruptly, it stops suddenly without warning. For example, playing in the park ended abruptly because of a sudden rainstorm. What else might cause an activity to end abruptly? Really, there's lots of things. Someone has to leave because of a doctor's appointment, or someone gets sick, um, or gets hurt. Now, let's look at this picture. This picture demonstrates the word abruptly. The people were playing in the park, then it started raining. They had to stop playing abruptly. Ally. Ally. An ally is the person or nation on the same side of a conflict. An example, my little brother says that a dog is the best ally even for a superhero. When might an ally be important? Having your friend as an ally if there's a disagreement is important because your friend can help back you up. Having an ally in a war, having another country be our ally is important because it helps you have more power to fight. The boy and his dog in this picture are allies. They work together. Collided. Collided. If bikes collided, they hit or crashed against each other. The players collided on the field and both fell down. What would happen if 2 cars collided? They would have a wreck, cars would be destroyed, people could get hurt. Now, let's look at this picture. These football players collided on the field. They crashed into each other. Confident. Confident. When you are confident, you have a strong belief in your abilities. The more you practice a song before a concert, the more confident you will feel. How might practicing a lot make you feel more confident? It would make you really understand what you were doing. It would make you know better. You would know better the chords you were supposed to play or the sound or whatever you're supposed to be doing at that time. Maybe it's a dance. You know the steps because you practice them a lot. Now, let's look at this picture. This picture demonstrates the word confident. This girl feels confident about playing the violin. She knows that she plays well. Oops, I'm going to just scroll back. Sorry. Conflict. Conflict. A conflict is a strong disagreement. An example is to resolve their conflict over who would use the remote control. The sisters finally agreed to take turns. What else can cause conflict? All sorts of things. I know my sisters and I could have a conflict over what color the sky is. I'm just kidding by that. I'm just meaning you can have a disagreement with anyone about almost anything. I hear my kids always having disagreements about how to say things correctly or what they want to do next. Just all sorts of things. These girls are in conflict about the remote control. Intervene. Intervene. When you intervene, you get involved in a disagreement to help solve it. When the referee saw the players arguing, he had to intervene to stop them. When else might a person need to intervene? Well, we know people intervene with the arguing and people fighting. Is there another time? Maybe you see someone doing something you know is wrong, like a friend decides to try to steal something. You can intervene and talk to him or her about what the right thing to do is. This referee intervenes to stop the players' conflict. Protective. Protective. Something that is protective helps keep you safe. Every bicycle rider should always wear a protective helmet. How is an umbrella protective? Of course, we know it protects against the rain, but I know somebody out there thought about using it to fend off something because y'all always have answers like that. These protective helmets help the bike riders' heads. Help, oh gosh, that was a horrible sentence. I'm sorry. These protective helmets help the bike riders' heads stay safe while they're riding their bikes. Taunting. Taunting. Taunting is teasing or making fun of someone or something. Outside the window, a squirrel seemed to be taunting my cat. When have you ever seen people taunting other people? The one that comes to mind with me is when you're playing keep away or monkey in the middle and you're throwing the ball and keeping the ball away from someone and you're like, hey, here you go, come get it. That is taunting. The cat cannot go outside. The squirrel is taunting the cat through the window. Sorry, today's video was a little wonky compared to usual. I had to go back and forth a couple times, but I think you got all the information you need. Both assignments are due today, and they're found on the Wonders website under To Do. There's the vocabulary worksheet and the vocabulary game. This is what the Wonders website looks like. Just a quick reminder. and it's under the to-do section. You just have those two assignments, a vocabulary worksheet, vocabulary game, and you are done with the vocabulary for the school year. Way to go! You made it! Okay, guys, y'all have a good day. Bye.